Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. To get these videos out to more car enthusiasts, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos too. This episode we're tackling headlights. Headlights give the face of the car personality, and this is one of the easiest things we can do to make our car look unique and make us safer on the road. I haven't seen much variety in aftermarket upgrades for the Grand National. Like most, I usually switch over to LEDs and go the typical 4x6 route. Drop a comment and let me know if you've seen anybody else successfully making custom headlights fit into a G-body. I haven't seen anyone yet, but I'd love to check out some of your creative mods. Looking on Amazon, I found a really nice set of unique headlights that I feel like would give the Grand National some flair. They're only $65. The light pattern is great. It lights up the night and is very easy to install. I had to borrow a couple of headlight bezels over from the 87T, but I got to replace those just in the time crunch for Carlisle. Some of the old 4x6 designs were really deep, and you had to get longer screws in order for it to fit into the headlight bucket, but these were perfect. No modification needed, and I used the original screws. Switching over to the taillights, I wanted to stick with a classic look. I love the way Digitails looks, so that's going to be in a future episode. But right now, I just need to clean them up, spray them black, and get everything looking good. Here you see me spraying all of the interior parts and some of the headlight bezels and taillight bezels in black plastic primer so that we can then switch over to the black satin finish and then finish everything off. All the paint laid down smoothly. There were a couple of cracks in the taillight bezel, but I repaired that with JB Weld, sanded smooth, and got it to a nice finish. Here it is, looking all great. And I didn't even have to compound these taillights. Going from this to this was really a great transformation. And that's all there is to it. I really like the way that these headlights and taillights turned out, but I'm always on the hunt for something new and creative. So let me know if you guys find anything. On the next video, we are tackling T-top seals, and we're going to introduce the 87 Turbo T to you all formally and show you the backstory of how I got this amazing machine. So thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing. Talk to you on the next one.